Morning guys! Good morning everyone! So for today's video, we're over here at Belmar in Bohol. Ayan, ang ganda. This is the front. Ito yung front na. Ayan, yung sign. We're here at Belmar and we're just walking around to find somewhere to eat. And marami na ditong, there are lots of gift shops and restaurants opening soon here in this area. Yan ang aking asawa. Ayun, naglalakad-lakad na dyan. So welcome to Belmar guys. Belmar, Panglao, Bohol. So on this side, may KFC tayo. Paborito. Ano ba yan? So may KFC. Ayan. Hindi naman tayo pupunta dyan. So basta ayan na siya. May KFC dyan. Ayan. Maraming tao. Maganda dito guys. Ang laki. Bago itong area na to dito sa Panglao, kaka-open lang nila. Ayan may mga opening soon. Ayan yung very nice fountain. Belmar Fountain. So there's so many gift shops opening soon. Korean food. Did you look here, mahal? Tingnan nga natin ang menu. Dito. Ay, hala, sushi. Ayan, mukhang marami also dito. Maganda dito, guys. So, ayan. Maraming opening soon. Mahal? May mga tables and chairs. The Lemon Company. At I think nakapili na ang aking asawa kung saan kami mag-lunch. Ang bee farm. Bee farm is around at the back. You've been? Huh? But there is a bee farm here. Oh, okay. Okay. Andun pala sa entrance. So, yan guys. Kakain na muna kami. I'll see you later. So, ayan guys, dito kami kumakain ngayon sa Panda Tea Garden. Ganda ng mga art nila sa wall. Tsaka yung, ayan, kanilang, dyan, sa lights. Very nice. Ayan, marami pang art dyan sa taas. And may mga din sila na for sale, which I will look at it later. And ito na si Asay. Ayan. Hi! Hi, mahal. Yummy! Ano ba? So, maganda dito guys. Ang ganda ng mga artwork dyan. So, ayan. Nice. We are here in the new in Belmar. Ganda So this is Panda Tea Garden here in Belmar, Panglao. Try natin. And I'm having my